Good morning, children. How are you? You are happy? Okay. Remember, what are you learned yesterday? Someone would say. All of you understand that is small intestine, digestion in human beings in small intestines. Okay. So today, that is yesterday we learned in small intestine absorption of digested food. How will absorb digested food in small intestine? Okay, so that is a absorption in the small intestine. The small intestines is a tube-like structure. Is a small intestine is 7.5 meters length also. You are understanding? So that is a small intestine digested food only how. This digested food is that is a tube inner wall is how. That is small intestine inner wall is how. Inner walls is finger like projections or fold is how. Finger like projections or fold is how. That is called villus or villi. Okay, this villus is it has thin network small blood vessels is how. That is called capillaries. This capillaries is how. So this is look at here. Look at here. This is a villi. Villi is a cannot see the naked eye and seen in under the microscope. Cannot see naked eye and seen under the microscope only villi. Okay, where is how villi? That is a small intestine inner wall. That is this is millions of finger-like projection. Millions of finger-like projections is how. So one side only note that is 7.5 meter length our small intestine. That small intestine inner wall full villi is how. So millions of finger like projection or fold is how. That is called villi or villus. Each villi has network thin blood vessels is how. That is called capillaries. Okay, understand? So this villi give inner walls of this small intestine a very large surface of area of the villi is absorption or digested food. Here digested food is how. That is absorbed in the blood vessels or capillaries. Okay, understand? So the surface of the villi absorb digested food material and passes them in the fine blood capillaries. These absorbed and fine blood capillaries in passes. So the absorbed food is carried to all the cells of the body by blood. Absorbed food carried all the cells of our body by blood. Our body is a cells is how. So that cells is that is a cells of the body by blood absorbed the absorbed food. This food is utilized by the cells to release energy. That time our body complete, our blood vessels complete, this food digested food is passing. That time our body is releasing energy. Okay, understand? Next step is assimilation of food. This blood carries absorbed food from the small intestine. That is a different organs of the body is how. One organs, different organs is how. Where is it used to build complex substance such as proteins repaired by the body for the growth and repair body tissues. Proteins is a complex substance how. That proteins is repair the body tissue and the growth, and this glucose is how. Their proteins and glucose is how. Glucose is breakdown help of oxygen into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Next one, amino acid is how. That amino acid is used building, repairing of body parts such as worn out cells and tissues. Next one, fatty acid and glycerol is how. Thus energy reserve and store under the skin for further use. Our skin under the skin only fat fat is storing. That time our body is fat, more fat is how? Fatty acid is stored. So fatty acid, glycerol. So next, first one, glucose is breakdown oxygen, carbon dioxide, water and energy. Next one, amino acid is used building and repairing of body parts such as worn out cells and tissues. Next one, fatty acid, glycerol, energy, reserve are stored under the skin for further use. Next one, egestion of undigested food. Egestion of undigested food. Egestion means the last process of our digestive system. That is where is that egestion? Large intestines only. Where is a large intestine? This small intestine is length is 7.5 meters. So large intestine length is only 1.5 meters. Understand? So which is intestine, small intestine or large intestine is very big here. So that is a small intestine only. Large intestine 1.5 meter. So that is large intestines, and it is a two parties have upper part and lower part. Upper part is a upper part is how, lower part is how. This upper part is called colon and lower part is called rectum. Upper part is colon and lower part is rectum. So this lower rectum, colon is water and some salts from the undigested food become dry and semi-solid is how. That is where is stored? Rectum only stored. That is stored, that rectum is full. That time that is a anus how? The anus only pass in the outside. That is called feces. What is passing here? Feces. So your day and night, today complete food eating, morning, next morning your latrine going and passing. What is that is undigested food is how? That is undigested food is stored in the rectum, and rectum full, that time anus only passing out. That is called feces. That is called feces. Understand feces? So this is feces. So feces is passed out body through the anus. This process is called egestion. That is which process? Egestion. Understand? No? Waste is a part or undigested food is passed through the outside anus only. That process is called egestion. Understand? All of you understand? Okay. This is all of you understand. So this is I given question answer also. Okay. So write and learn also your CW and HW book. Okay. Thank you children.